Despite being known for its resort lifestyle, there are many in Blaine County who experience malnutrition, food insecurity, and hunger. Our community is full of caring souls. The Hunger Coalition was founded in 2003 as a grassroots initiative run completely by volunteers to provide a food safety net for those in need. The plight of those struggling to survive during tough times continues today. Thanks to community support, children, families, seniors, and the disabled all have a place to turn to when they find themselves without one of the most basic needs in life: food. We've served 50% of the food insecure population in our county. Our goal is to reach the remaining 50%. Since food is one of the most fundamental of human needs, if people aren't coming to the Hunger Coalition, the barriers must be significant. Overcoming the pride to ask for help can be daunting. We're launching an aggressive campaign to better understand what's preventing people from reaching out for help. If we're able to break down these barriers, we can not only feed more people, but also share what we've learned to other food banks across the state and even the nation. We need your support so that our vision of a hunger-free community can become a reality. We leverage donor dollars to the maximum through partnerships with statewide hunger relief organizations that provide food for a fraction of the cost. Our more than 150 regular volunteers save us significant funds through donating their time. They rescue fresh food daily from local grocers, sort food in our warehouse, and deliver backpacks of food to children. They help plant and harvest food at our Hope Garden, teach cooking and nutrition classes, and so much more. Our success also comes from a dedicated staff that's constantly striving to improve. All of these factors allow us to better meet the changing need in our community while keeping costs at a minimum. As the only full-time food bank within 200 square miles, we understand that success comes from collaboration. So we partner with nearly 50 local and statewide organizations and businesses to provide a holistic approach to solving food insecurity and hunger. With these partnerships, efficient use of resources, and a culture of excellence in the management of the organization, we've created a high level of effectiveness in fighting hunger in our community. We measure success in various ways: by the pounds of food we distribute, the number of people served, by the efficiency of our operations. Success means relentless commitment to our strategic goals. Success for the organization as a whole means no one who's aware of our service goes to bed hungry due to the inability to feed themselves. Personally, one of my favorite measures of success is simply getting a call from someone we've helped to let us know they no longer need our services thanks to a new job or a raise. They're always so grateful for our help, and we love being able to share in their success. Many people don't know that we provide more than food assistance to our community. We offer valuable one-on-one consultation with our clients to understand their needs and connect them with resources to move them out of food insecurity. We offer education workshops, a mentoring program, help with resumes, and more to provide people the skills they need to move out of our lines and on with their lives. Since 2003, the Hunger Coalition has grown from a grassroots food initiative run completely by volunteers to the only full-time food bank within 200 miles. We've been able to directly serve 10% of our entire county population. When you touch that many people and offer them validation, food, and support, lives are changed forever. As a rural mountain area with limited public transportation, our mobile food bank allows us to bring food directly to communities in need. In 2009, we began recovering fresh produce, dairy, meat, and bread through volunteers and partnerships with local grocers. In 2010, we started the Hope Garden. Our clients can now take part in hands-on growing at the garden, and the entire community is invited to help grow fresh food for our mobile food bank. Together, with our programs focused on keeping children fed, we have created an effective and holistic approach to feeding the hungry. The Wood River Valley is known for its roster of Hollywood heroes and vacationing business elite. Many find it hard to believe there are people struggling here. Since food is one of the most fundamental of human needs, if people aren't reaching out for our help, the barriers must be significant. Those who have never had to seek help before tend to be the most difficult to reach. We're challenged with finding new ways to help them move past their pride to receive the food their families desperately need. We continue to be an evolutionary organization. With an aggressive goal of increasing our reach, we're committed to feeding more people over the next 3 years. This effort will require more resources. To ensure no one falls through the cracks, we're building more effective partnerships with other agencies. We're also engaging youth at risk of hunger, those who are more likely to be unemployed when they reach working age. We'll help provide them with the tools to become healthy adults, contributing to the success of our community. According to a recent Feeding America study, we estimate that we're reaching roughly half of the food insecure population in our community. We want to better understand the barriers that are preventing people from walking through our doors and find ways to engage them in our services so no one in our community goes to bed hungry. We're also seeing food insecure youth slip through the cracks and sadly become food insecure adults. We need to break this devastating cycle and build a collaborative that engages these youth. Finally, we're seeing an increase in middle-aged and older clients. Many of these individuals don't qualify for federal and state assistance programs. They may no longer be competitive in the job market, yet they're too young for benefits like Social Security or Medicare. The older demographic may require our services for a longer period, and we must be prepared to feed them.